Good day, students. It's good we are back again. Today we are going to learn how to find the equation of a circle when the endpoints of a diameters are given. So let's see this one. Given that the endpoints of a diameter are A and B, and the A is having the coordinate of x1, y1, and B is also having a coordinate of x2, y2, as we have it here. And we are saying that the equation of the circle will be given as what we have here. And the equation of the circle is going to be x squared plus y squared, then minus bracket of x1 plus x2, then all times x, minus y1 plus y2 all times y, plus x1 times x2 plus y1 times y2 all equal 0. This is the simplest and the shortest formula to find the equation of a circle when the endpoints are given. So let's use the formula to solve a question we have here. So let's move on. Example 1. Find the equation of a circle if the endpoints of a diameters are 8, 4, and 2, 2. These are the endpoints of the diameters. How are you going to find the equation of this circle? And let's not forget about our formula. And the formula is saying that it's going to be x squared plus y squared minus x1 plus x2 or x minus y1 plus y2 or y, then plus x1, x2 plus y1, y2 all equal 0. So what are the points here? The points given in the questions are, so the points are 8, 4, then comma, we have 2, 2, as we have it here. So now the equation of the circle is going to be x squared plus y squared. And we need the coefficient of x. So it's going to be 8 here plus 2 here, which is going to give us 10. So minus 10x. Then the coefficient of y is going to be y1 plus y2, which is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. And there's a minus here. So minus 6y. Then we need a constant. So the constant, don't rush to write the sign here. We need a constant. And the constant is going to be the product of x1 and y1 and y1 and y2. So 8 times 2, 8 then plus this one also. So 8 times 2 will give us 16. Then, so here is going to be 16. Then we have plus, then 4 times 2 is what? 8 equal 24. So here is going to be plus 24 or equal 0. You are done. You are done with the equation of the circle when the endpoints of the diameters are 8, 4, and 2, 2. Let me take it again. Here, just write the x squared plus y squared as we have it here. Just write the x squared plus y squared as we have it here. Then you write your, you sum the 8 and 2, giving us 10. But the sign here is minus, so minus 10x. Then you sum the y coordinate, which is 4 and 2, giving us 6, and the sign here is minus, so minus 6y. Then we come to the constant. We multiply the 8 and 2, which will give us 16. Then plus the product of y1, y2, which is 2, 4, 8. So 8 plus 16 giving us 24, and they are all equal 0. So that will be the equation of the circle we have there. So let's move on. Okay, let's go to the second question, then we see how we can go about it. So the question says that find the equation of the circle if the diameter joins the point 2, 5 and negative 3a. So these are the points we are going to find the equation of it. But don't forget about the formula. And the formula is x squared plus y squared minus x1 plus x2, then all times x, then minus y1 plus y2, then all times y, then plus x1, x2 plus y1, y2, and all equal 0. So this is the formula we are going to use to solve the given question. So here, the x square and y square are maintained. So we write our x square plus y square. Then we add x1 and x2, and these are the x1 and x2 that we are going to add. So 2 plus minus 3 is what? Minus 1. So we are going to put minus 1 here. So minus 1 times minus 1 will give us what? 1. And 1 times x will give us what? Plus x. Then we come to y. So the y part, we are going to add the y1 and y2, and the y1 and the y2 are 8 and 5. 8 and 5. So 5 plus 8 will give us what? 13. And there's a minus sign here. This is the minus sign we are talking about. So minus 13 times y. So minus 13y. Then we come to the constant part. So the constant part, we are going to multiply the 2 and 3. 2 and the negative 3. So 2 times minus 3 will give us what? Minus 6 plus. Then we multiply 5 and 8. So 5 times 8 will give us what? 40. So minus 6 plus 40 will give us what? Plus 34, and they are all equal 0. 34, and they are all equal 0. So equation of the circle when given the ends points of the diameter are going to be what we have here. The ends points of the diameter is going to be this one. So this is the equation of the circle when the end points are given. So my dear student, let me leave you with a question so that you try your hand on them. So these are the questions. Find the equation of a circle if the diameter joins the following points. And these are the points. 2, -1, then 3, -2, that is I. Then I, 3, -5, and -3, -1. Then we have the I, 0, -1, and 2, 5. These are the endpoints of it. But don't forget to leave your answer at the comment section. And what about the formula we have here? We got all these formula whereby we multiply the gradient of the 2 points. And we know when the circle a circle has a diameter and this diameter subtends here, then this chord here meet at perpendicular, they meet at an angle of 90 degrees. So assuming we have A here, which is x1, y1, then we have B here, which is x2, y2, and the point here, assuming we have it to be x and y. The gradient of gradient of BP dot gradient of AP should be equal to -1. So it's through this formula whereby we got the formula we are using to solve the question. And the formula we are using to solve the question is x squared plus y squared minus x1 plus x2, then all times x, then minus y1 plus y2 all times y, then plus we have x1 times x2 plus y1 y2, and they are all equal 0. We got this formulas from this one. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your answer at the comment section. Bye. This is Archimedes Easy Mathematics. Bye.